TechSmith just dropped a really nice feature in 25.2, and you'll get that update for free on your home screen. You'll see the new feature when you go to record your screen. Now, if you take a look here, I'm using Camtasia for the PC. I'm going to turn on my recording option here. And if I go to the drop-down menu, TechSmith has added this window option. So I'm going to choose Window, and I'm going to choose Notepad, and I'll click OK. Now I also have this other application running by air quotes mistake, and I'm going to send it to the back of Notepad. Okay. And I'm going to record, and I don't need my microphone. I don't need system audio. I just want to see what happens if I record Notepad and that other application shows up. So I'm going to click record. Just going to wiggle my mouse around a little bit. Not going to actually record anything of substance. And I'll accidentally press Alt-Tab to bring up that calculator app. Move it around a little bit. And that's an oops. Alt-Tab back to Notepad. And I'll stop the recording. Now I want to see what happens in Camtasia when I play that recording back. Let's see if that stray application which showed up accidentally gets recorded. I'll press the play button. There I am moving my mouse around. This is where I switched back and I opened up the calculator app and it did not show up on screen. I just love that. I think you'll find that feature particularly useful if you find yourself recording the screen and you forget to turn on the applications that tend to alert you. I think a chief offender would be Outlook when you get an email, Microsoft Teams, that kind of thing. Now you don't have to worry about it. I just love it. Check it out. Let me know what you think.